Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 2290. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 2290 barely lasts through a cleaning session, you're likely facing a battery issue. This can occur due to natural wear and tear, or if the battery has been overworked. If left unfixed, your device may become unusable, leading to frustrating cleaning experiences and a significant drop in performance. To tackle this battery replacement, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a new battery compatible with the Conga 2290. First, ensure your device is switched off and unplugged. Then, locate the bottom cover of your Conga 2290. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws holding the cover in place. It's important to keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry the cover off using the flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage the casing. Inside, locate the battery, which is typically secured with clips or additional screws. Carefully disconnect the battery cables, ensuring that you do not pull too hard on any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the old battery, remove it from its compartment. Make sure to dispose of the old battery responsibly. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment, connecting the cable securely. Ensure that everything is properly aligned and that there are no loose connections. Once the new battery is in place, reattach the bottom cover by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Finally, switch on your Conga 2290 to check if it powers up and holds charge effectively. If you notice any issues, do not hesitate to reach out for professional help. To prevent future battery problems, avoid overcharging your device and ensure it is stored in a cool, dry place when not in use. Regularly cleaning the contact points can also extend battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.